Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today's video is actually in collaboration with Doich. Y'all, I just actually got finished eating dinner. I made me a little salmon, a little potatoes, and some salad. But y'all already know, after we eat dinner, what y'all want? We want something sweet. So Doich reached out to me, and I decided to go ahead and do a collaboration with them. So we might start a little series on here, After Dinner Comes Doich. So y'all, they reached out to me, and they sent me a little package here. So I have the little dessert here, so I decided to go ahead and do it. So we're gonna unbox this, we're gonna do a first tasting, and we might go ahead and make some cookies as well. So here's the packaging. It comes in this little bubble wrap paper, and then we have the packaging here. Super cute and sleek, y'all. Super cute. And I decided they had so many different flavors, I didn't know which one to choose, but I went ahead and just got the chocolate chip one. And y'all, if y'all looking for a gluten-free, plant-based, and low in sugar little snack after dinner, like even if you have a heavy meal and you still want something sweet but not too heavy, go ahead and try out Doich. I will leave a coupon code in the description below. But here is what I got. I got the chocolate chip brand, so we're gonna do a first little tasting, and then we're gonna make us some cookies. So we're gonna undo this stuff over here. I got my little spoon, and it's nice and simple, y'all. I love this little blue thing. So who don't like chocolate chip? Y'all, let's see. I'm gonna do a little small little thing on my spoon. I got a little bit here, and then we're gonna do a try. That's good. That's really good. Like, it's good to just snack. That is good. That is really, really good. Like the chocolate, just enough chocolate chips, just enough cookie dough. Not too doughy, not too sweet. It's super good. So y'all, here is the thing. I'm actually gonna make me some cookies. So I already prepped my pan. I'm gonna do me some little bit of cookies, and then we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. I just got finished cooking the cookies. Here they are. Here's the cookies. I let them sit for a minute, and I'm actually going to do a taste test of these cookies. Super cute little cookie. Yeah, it's so good. Like, it's so good. It's just so good. Definitely the perfect snack for after dinner. That's so good. Snack size, snack bites. Not too much. This is super good, y'all. Super good. So after dinner comes Doich.